beginning of the community management role, were there any previous skills that helped you today as a community manager that you didn't really expect to use in this role?
Definitely. So I have a background in sales, like I mentioned. So one of the skills that I actually end up using quite a bit is some skills that I picked up in sales. Now, we don't sell anything to our community members, and we don't allow selling within our community between, like, no soliciting. We don't do any marketing or sales communication to them. But what I mean when I say the sales skills are helpful is just relationship building, rapport building, connecting with people authentically is a skill that has been really, really important. Also, of course, we all want to grow our community. So there is some part of sales skill into acquiring new members and understanding, hey, how can I make this desirable for somebody to be a part of? I think that's all part of those skill sets. Um, Presentation skills. I like presenting things in public. And for us, one of our community initiatives is like the weekly micro lessons that we do, which I present with multiple guests. And I didn't expect at all to have to work on that skill, but I end up now doing it every single week and I love it. So that was kind of unexpected. And then one that I think it's important is just emotional intelligence as a skill. You're dealing with people all the time. And even though we're a B2B community, we're a B2B company, it's like work related. It's still built by humans, right? Every company is just a mass of humans working to reach a goal. And so I think emotional intelligence as a skill is very important, one that I didn't expect to use as much as I do.
Yeah, that's so great. Those are all such important, good skills, and you explained it so nicely. I think to be able to empathize with your community members is so important, so that emotional intelligence is key. And not everyone has it. So we're superheroes basically. And here you are now doing an interview as well. So that's just another skill to add to the list. You're an all rounder, which is great.